Imagine a war that lasted shorter than your lunch break. The briefest battle ever was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896, finishing in just 38 minutes. Now a fun fact. Wombat excrement is cube-shaped. Why, you ask? To stop it from rolling away, of course. Myth debunking time. Despite popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon with the naked eye. This is a popular misconception that most people believe. Another intriguing fact is regarding the word nerd. It was actually first introduced by the renowned author Dr. Seuss in his book If I Ran the Zoo in 1950. Ever observed a group of flamingos? That's referred to as a flamboyance. These exotic birds with their vibrant pink plumes and graceful movements are a sight to behold. Now let's switch gears from birds to insects, specifically the honeybee. These small, industrious creatures possess a fascinating ability. Honeybees can recognize human faces. In fact, they're better at it than some of us humans. Now let's talk beverages. The world's oldest recipe is surprisingly for beer, not bread or soup, and is over 4 millennia old. Moving to unexpected facts, consider this. The electric chair was conceived by a dentist, Dr. Alfred P. Southwick. Makes you rethink your dentist appointment fear, doesn't it? Venturing into the lush realm of flora, we uncover a breathtaking fact. A solitary rainforest is a powerhouse, generating a whopping 20% of the Earth's oxygen. This verdant world, shrouded in mystery, is teeming with surprising anomalies. Here's one such quirky revelation. Contrary to popular belief, bananas, a staple fruit in the tropics, are technically berries, while strawberries, those summer favorites, surprisingly aren't. Now, let's swing back in time. Back in the 19th century, the landscape of American sports and finance was being shaped. 1846 marks a significant year, as it saw the birth of baseball in Hoboken, New Jersey. On the other hand, the financial giant that we now know as Bank of America had a humble beginning. Its original name was not as grand, it was the Bank of Italy. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? This fascinating fact about these incredible marine animals is indeed true. They possess a unique biological structure, where 2 hearts are dedicated to pumping blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart functions to circulate blood to the rest of their body. This distinct physiological feature makes the octopus one of the most intriguing creatures under the sea. Also, cows have best friends, and can become stressed when they are separated. Unlocking enigmas, the D in D-Day intriguingly denotes day. This single term has carried weight in history, symbolizing a momentous day of action. Yet its simplicity belies its significance. Imagine, so much hinging on a single alphabet. In the midst of understanding time, consider a startling fact. The average individual, in their lifetime, astonishingly squanders a total of 6 months simply in anticipation of red traffic signals to shift to green. Venturing into geographical marvels, the world's largest desert is not the Sahara, it's actually Antarctica. A surprising revelation, isn't it? Often what we think we know is just the tip of the iceberg. Speaking of ice, let's dive below the frozen surfaces to the realm of marine life. Consider the starfish. A unique creature without a brain, yet it has a fascinating system of survival. They use filtered seawater to pump nutrients through their nervous system. Amazing! The Great Pyramid of Giza was originally taller, standing at 146.6 meters, but now measures 138.8 meters due to lost casing stones. Interestingly, the first ever YouTube video was Me at the Zoo. Fun fact, Walter Morrison, the Frisbee inventor, became a Frisbee after his cremation. Here's a fun linguistic fact for you on this fine day. The longest word in English language that does not contain a vowel is none other than rhythms. An intriguing puzzle of language, isn't it? Now, shifting gears towards the animal kingdom, let's talk about chickens. These commonly domesticated birds have often been the subject of amusement and curiosity alike. But have you ever wondered about their flight capabilities? Interestingly, and rather surprisingly, the longest recorded flight of a chicken is a mere 13 seconds. Delightful trivia, isn't it? The Eiffel Tower, that grand symbol of France, grows a remarkable 15 centimeters taller during the balmy summer months. Hidden within this observation is the fascinating concept of thermal expansion. As temperatures rise, the metal in the structure expands, leading to an increase in height that may seem small, but is actually quite significant. Switching topics to culinary arts, an intriguing fact awaits. Have you ever wondered about the many folds in a chef's hat? These aren't just for show. In fact, each of the 100 folds in a chef's hat represents a unique method of cooking an egg. A group of pandas is called an embarrassment. The world's largest volcano is not on land but underwater. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the biggest shield volcano. That is very cool. Astronauts in space cannot cry because there is no gravity, so tears don't fall, so do not go to space sad. The Hawaiian alphabet has only 12 letters. Snails can sleep for up to 3 years. I wish I was a snail. And lastly, the national animal of Scotland is the unicorn. There you have it, folks. Next time you are having a conversation with someone and don't know what to talk about, use some of these facts. Until next time, and thanks for watching.